Oh, meron tayo mga headphones dito. This one is a scientific viewer. So today, we will be unboxing mga boxes mula sa Donors Choose dahil officially, nag-grant na ang ating Donors Choose project. Isang Nathan Tanging araw sa inyong lahat mga Nathan Tangi. Ako nga pala ang inyong Nathan Tanging guro dito sa Amerika, Teacher Nathan. Ngayong araw ay mag-unbox nga tayo ng mga boxes na ito galing sa Donors Choose dahil ang ating Project SOAR ay fully funded ng isang private company. Tingnan natin kung ano-ano yung mga laman ng mga boxes na ito. Syempre maraming salamat po sa mga sponsors no, at mga donors na nag-donate ng mga materials na ito. Tingnan natin. Kumain natin. Oh. Wow. Sirain natin ito. Wow. So, andito po pala yung details ng aming classroom project. Ito po yung details niya. So, yung pinaka-main goal ng aming project is yung mga materials for STEM. I-relate namin yung literacy through STEM project sa classroom. Since we are gearing towards School of Distinction sa STEM. So, ito isa sa mga great news. Oh my gosh! So, these are headphones na kailangan po ng mga bata. Itong headphones na ito kailangan during testing, during their small group, during their activity, kailangan po nilang mga headphones. Yes, we have headphones naman in the classroom, but of course, kailangan din namin ng extra since yung iba naman ay disposable lang, so kailangan pa namin ng extra headphones. Yan, so maraming salamat. Dahil, yep, meron tayo mga headphones dito. Perfect. I'm gonna put it here. Next naman, tingnan natin kung ano yung laman. This one is a scientific viewer. It is so nice. Since in our wit and wisdom subject, in our ELA, our topic, this module is all about outer space. So kaya itong mga materials nito may kinalaman sa outer space. So tingnan natin kung ano itong mga to. And I'm sure yung mga bata magi-enjoy at matutuwa talaga pag na-try nila to. Itong project na ito. I mean, itong material na ito. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. So yeah. So, gagamitin lang nila to. So, kung gusto nilang makita ng malapitan, kung ano yung pinaka-structure or outside appearance ng mga bagay na makita sa outer space, pwede nilang gamitin. So meron sa moon, merong stars, and sun as well, and other planets. So, they can take a look at this. So, pwede nilang makita yung mga nasa solar system. Okay, guys. Yeah, so lahat ng mga materials na natanggap namin o natanggap ko, na galing sa Donors Choose, may kinalaman syempre sa STEM. Ini-integrate ko lang yung mga ELA lessons ko through STEM since we are gearing towards School of Distinction para sa STEM. So ito ay mga magnifying glasses. So nakakatuwa. They will be able to see closely kung ano yung mga dapat namin i-observe. So, oh, tcharan! And it comes with different colors. Diba? Nakakatawa. I'm sure they will love this. Let's try it. Laman ito. Ooh. Wow. This is like a the 8 planets. I think there is like a projection thing, something like that. And we have gloves. Bakit nga ba kailangan ng gloves? During our Module 1 book, we talked about the ocean. So, meron kaming activity na nagawa about oceans, about undersea life, something like that. So, one of the activities that we did before is we're able to dissect a real shark. So, our kids were able to have that real life encounter with sharks. So, we invited our speaker from Nash Community College to talk about kailangan nilang hawakan yung mga shark na iyon, ang mga baby sharks lang naman. And then they need to use the gloves, of course, just to protect them. So meron na kaming gloves, so hindi na kami magkakaproblema. Anyway, magagamit din naman namin to next school year. These right here. So mag-open po tayo ng isa since they are all the same naman. Ano kaya ito? Yep. Yung mga glasses po nila. Ayan. So kailangan po nilang gamitin ito. Ayan po. So yes. So as what I have said a while ago, meron silang activity dissection with sharks. And then they have the close encounter with sharks. So they need to put this eyeglasses, just to protect them. So maganda po itong quality nitong mga glasses na ito. And I'm sure matutuwa talaga yung mga bata pag nakikita nila nito bukas. And meron silang ID or badge na kung saan may mga specific na, lagyan ko rin yung specific na pangalan. So okay, this eyeglasses belongs to, or this headphone belongs to, so meron siya. And then meron din siyang, ang tawag dito, lanyard ba? Or ID lace or whatever ang tawag dyan. So, aside from their eyeglasses and gloves, meron din silang coat or lab coat para maprotektahan sila at hindi sila madumihan. Proper thing is they need to wear this lab coat right here. Ang ganda po ng tela niya. Ang ganda po. Yeah. So, it suits also to their sizes. And each ay may correspond na lanyard. So, para alam kung hindi magpapalit-palit. For hygiene purposes na din. Para at least safe sila, di ba? So, this is very, very good initiative na nagawa namin. Just to promote STEM sa classroom. Kaya mga naitantangin, ito yung mga materials na na-purchase natin. Hindi naman na-purchase, but na some of the donations na na-include doon sa ating project. And it was funded. I started, I think, 3 months ago, and then after 2 months, it was fully funded by a private company. So, muli, maraming salamat po sa aming sponsor, WOW sponsor. Maraming salamat po sa donor ng aming Donor Choose Project na Project SOAR. Kasi syempre may kinalaman ito sa literacy and STEM integration sa aming lessons ngayong Module 1 and Module 2 sa aming ELA subject. Kaya muli maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood. Kaya kung hindi ka pa nag-Donors Choose, ito na po ang sign. Mag-Donors Choose ka na at mag-create ka na ng project mo. I'm sure you will get a high approval. Wow! Approve alone, I'm sure you will be fully funded as well. Yun lang, maraming salamat. Paalam, Nathan Tangi.
Just Learn with Mr. A.